And as an artist, yun yung pinaka-fulfilling na feeling na mararamdaman ng isang artist na kinakanta ng tao yung kanta nila. That's why we are so thankful. But, ayun, parang mag-party-party kami ngayon eh. Sasabay ba kayo sa amin? Mag-party-party ngayon.
Ito, feeling ko magugulat sila dito.
Yeah, feel ko magugulat. Magugulat talaga kayo na ito.
But
Bakit sir?
before that, 18, thank you so much sa pagsabay sa amin sa pagkanta ng Liham. Maraming salamat. But tonight, alam namin na magkakasama tayo dito at marami na kaming pinakita. But ang tanong, 18, ready na ba kayo for the next?
Ready?
Are you guys ready for next?
Ready na ba kayo?
18, let's get ready for tonight!
Hey! Hey! Tataka sila.
I've been waiting for this now for so long. Get ready for the night. You ready? I've been waiting for this now for so long. Get ready for the night.
Ready for the lights, put the camera reacting. Then go ahead and tap in. Risk at the roof with the diamonds I'm matching. I think it's a habit.
I don't wanna be the one to save you, but flights might change you. All the different angles, just a little sample, just a little preview. So take it easy, baby, don't you hurt me. Little reason, baby, evening tasting, Lord have mercy.
And we can take time and love the flame. Got me all like overthink. Need just a little bit more.
And I can be the one that you catch those flights as I feel it. So baby, tell me how we're living. Let's let go. Let's have a little toast, cause I'm taking all.
Everyone, please welcome Apple DM!
Hey, you ready? I've been waiting for this now for so long. Get ready for the night. You ready? I've been waiting for this now for so long. Get ready for the night. Get ready for the night. Get ready for the night. Get ready for the night.
Make some noise for Apple! I ain't giving rocks up, I ain't giving girls a something. Girls up your fashion, yeah, you talking to the father. Every level of your life. I'll get you to a villa where you like. Tonight, night. Oh, baby. Penthouse life we're living. And we catch flights, not feelings. And I can break it down if you with it. And I can be the one.
That you catch those flights, cause I feel it.
Let's go.
So baby, tell me how we're living.
Guys!
Ready, set, and go.
Go!
Now
Go!
let's take cause I'm taking up with you. Ready for the night.
Who's ready?
I've been waiting for this night for so long.
Get ready for the night. You ready? I've been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night. Get ready for the night.
Let's go.
Come on. Hey, hey.
Ready for the night. It feels right.
For the night.
I can
Taste it.
that it's not a getting close to you. On my head, we're getting through.
Oh yeah.
Friends and time friends.
Let's go. Say what? Woo.
I'm ready.
Get ready for the night. I'm ready. I've been waiting for this night for so long. Get ready for the night. You ready? One, two. Get ready for the night. 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 Get ready for the night.
Yeah.
Oh. 18, let's give it up for Apple DM!
Make some noise for SB19! Make some noise for yourselves!
Thank you so much, Sir Apple. Grabe, sobrang special ng araw na to, guys. Pinakitaan tayo ng dance moves.
Kita niyo yun?
Hey. Okay, but it's an honor po to be with this, to be with the stage with you, Sir Apple.
With the legend.
Yes.
With the legend.
With the-
Maraming salamat for having me with you guys, to rock with you guys. And I'm proud of you guys representing our culture around the world. So
Yeah. Alam nyo guys, ang masasabi ko lang, iba talaga ang Filipino! 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 Hey!
yeah, hoy pare, pakinggan nyo ko. Eto na tunay na Pilipino. Galing sa baryo sa Pambato, pumunta ng LA nagtrabaho para makatulong sa nanay. Dahil sa hirap ng buhay, pero masaya pa rin ang kulay. Pag kumain, nagkakamay. Yung kane, chicken adobo. Yung pala pinipeta sa kanto. Dagay mo na nga ang baso. Pare ko, inuman na tayo.
Filipino! 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 Filipino!
Hey! Bebo, 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 bebo. Ikaw ang aking bebo, bebo, bebo.
Hey!
Ikaw ang aking bebo, 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 bebo. Ikaw ay Filipino!
Filipino!
Awesome! You killed it! You killed it, Sir Apple.
Grabe, sobrang nakakabilib. And narinig nyo ba yung song na pinerform namin? Narinig nyo? Nako, abangan nyo dahil malapit na rin yan. It's SB19 and Sir Apple the App collaboration. We're very excited! Woo! Again, everyone, let's give a hand for Sir Apple the App!
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sir Apple!
Thank you so much, Sir Apple.
Nabulol ako.
Round of applause.
Ano ba yan? 18.
Thank you so much, Sir Apple. Thank you so much. It's such an
Day 1 pa
honor.
lang